With its massive 9,000 mAh battery paired with an ultra-high refresh rate display, the newly launched OnePlus Turbo 6 brings two standout features straight into the turbo category. That alone makes me genuinely excited to see how it performs in games. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. In this video, we're diving into the OnePlus Turbo 6, a phone that's being hyped as a real power booster for mobile gaming. The first time I saw the OnePlus Turbo 6, it felt surprisingly fresh. The camera module carries a strong Oppo-inspired vibe, while the overall look, especially the large dual-leg layout, gives off a subtle Apple-like design influence. With so many turbo phones on the market right now, this one definitely feels like an Apple-style take on the turbo concept. The unit I'm using comes in the Spotlight Silver finish, featuring a silver back panel, deco, and mid-frame that together create a very premium impression. The rear panel uses a 3D holographic engraved texture that shifts slightly as light hits it from different angles, which looks quite refined. The deco adopts a large, gold-plated dual-leg design with small graphic details, and it actually makes the phone easier to grip during gaming sessions. One notable change is the absence of customizable function keys. This is a bit different from earlier models, but it also means fewer chances of accidental touches while you're deep into a game. The phone measures 8.5 millimeters in thickness and weighs 217 grams, giving it a solid, substantial feel in hand. Considering the enormous 9,000 mAh battery inside, that weight makes sense. Personally, if I have to choose between a slimmer body and a bigger battery, I'll always go with the larger battery. Overall, the OnePlus Turbo 6 looks clean and attractive, with a minimalist design that helps keep the device feeling balanced despite the huge battery. You can tell the designers really thought about how to fit that capacity into the body. After covering the design, let's talk performance. The OnePlus Turbo 6 is powered by the 4th generation Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 Winpool Edition processor. This is a deeply customized chip developed by OnePlus in partnership with Qualcomm. It's based on the 4th generation Snapdragon mobile platform and integrates OnePlus's own gaming technologies, including the Winpool gaming kernel, to fully unlock performance potential. In Antutu benchmark testing, the phone scored around 2.626 million points, which is roughly 13% higher than another Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 device I tested earlier. On Geekbench 6, it achieved a single-core score of 1,124 and a multi-core score of 6,806, both of which are solid results. Now let's move on to real gaming performance. Since the phone features a 165Hz 1.5K gaming display, it's clearly built for ultra-high frame rate gameplay. In Call of Duty Mobile, you can enable 165 FPS directly in the settings. I tested this myself, and the game truly does run at 165 frames per second. Over a 1-hour session, the average frame rate was 164.65 FPS, and the highest temperature recorded on the back of the phone was 40 degrees Celsius. Playing fast-paced shooters at 165 FPS feels fantastic, with extremely smooth movement and precise aiming. Naruto Mobile now also supports 165 FPS, so I tested that as well, focusing on combat scenes. After an hour of gameplay, the average frame rate came in at 164.68 FPS, while the maximum back panel temperature reached 38.2 degrees Celsius. Next up was Honor of Kings, one of the most popular games out there. In the settings, you can enable the highest available frame rate, which is 144 FPS. At this price point, there are very few phones that can run Honor of Kings at 144 Hz, so if you know any others, feel free to share them in the comments. During an hour of 5v5 matches, the average frame rate was 143.95 FPS, and the highest temperature on the back was 38.7 degrees Celsius. Both frame stability and thermal control were impressive. From hands-on use, it's clear that this 165Hz flat display is extremely well suited for gaming. I also tested the screen brightness. In full screen manual mode, the maximum brightness reached 870.2 nits, while the peak brightness under active conditions hit 1882 nits. Outdoor visibility is not an issue at all. For everyday use, the phone usually runs at 120 Hz to balance performance and power consumption, which feels more than smooth enough. At this level of performance, daily tasks are effortless, with seamless multitasking and fluid switching between apps in small windows. And for a high-performance phone like this, battery life is especially important. The OnePlus Turbo 6 comes equipped with a truly pro-level 9,000 mAh battery, which is likely the biggest you'll find in this price segment right now. I ran a full battery test, so you can easily compare it with your own phone. Starting at 100%, 2 hours of watching short videos only used up 6%, leaving the battery at 94%. After that, 2 hours of live streaming drained 16%, bringing it down to 78%. Then I spent another 2 hours scrolling through news feeds, which consumed just 5%, leaving 73%. Finally, 2 hours of playing Honor of Kings at 144 Hz used 22%, ending the test at 51% battery. Overall, the endurance is excellent. For everyday tasks like watching short videos or browsing news, the battery drops very slowly. With a 9,000 mAh capacity, battery anxiety is basically gone, and it really feels worthy of its flagship positioning. Charging is rated at 80 watts, and the real-world charging curve matches that promise. The phone reached 82% in about 50 minutes and fully charged the massive 9,000 mAh battery in 76 minutes. It also supports bypass charging, which you can turn on with a side swipe while using the phone. In this mode, the charger powers the device directly instead of the battery, helping to reduce heat during gaming. On top of that, it supports 27 watts reverse charging. Just connect another phone with a C2C cable, choose reverse charging from the pop-up, and you can power up other devices. It's basically like carrying a 9,000 mAh power bank in your pocket without the hassle of security checks on flights or high-speed trains, which is honestly pretty impressive. When it comes to durability, the OnePlus Turbo 6 supports IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K ratings, offering top-tier dust and water resistance. Whether it's full water immersion, hot water, or strong water spray, there's really no need to worry. For cameras, the phone uses a 50-megapixel IMX882 sensor with optical image stabilization. The photos I've taken recently look great and are more than sufficient for everyday photography. The fingerprint sensor is a standard optical in-display unit positioned at the bottom of the screen. On the software side, the OnePlus Turbo 6 comes fully upgraded to ColorOS 16. Animations are extremely smooth, and I especially like the seamless interruption effect when quickly switching between multiple apps. In the system settings, the main menu now includes a dedicated Oppo AI section, which brings together a wide range of AI features. When I'm browsing content I care about, I can simply long press the power button to call up the AI assistant for instant feedback. For typing, there's an AI assist button right above the keyboard. Tap it, type what you need, and it helps you write quickly. For example, you can ask it to generate an annual work summary, and it will automatically fill in the text for you, which is very convenient. As for pricing, the base variant of the OnePlus Turbo 6 starts at 2,299 Chinese yuan in China, which roughly translates to about £245 in the UK and around $329 in the US. Overall, the OnePlus Turbo 6 delivers strong performance across the board, especially in performance, display quality, and battery life. It's a proper gaming-focused flat-screen performance phone. The 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate display, the huge 9,000 mAh battery, and the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 peak version, jointly tuned by OnePlus and Qualcomm, are all standout highlights. The phone comes preloaded with a peak gaming kernel. And unlike some mainstream devices that only advertise high refresh rates, this one actually delivers those ultra-high frame rates in real games. You could say it sits right at the top when it comes to both gaming performance and battery endurance. The OnePlus Turbo 6 really sets a new standard for mobile performance and battery life. OnePlus deserves credit for pushing large batteries and ultra-high refresh rate screens across its lineup, and hopefully more gaming phones will follow this direction and reach the same level of frame rate, stability, and battery life as the OnePlus Turbo 6.